Today we're in Pittsford, Michigan, Hillsdale County, right off of the paved Hudson Road, taking a look at a fantastic 3.93 acre parcel that's got plenty of features. We've got rolling hills throughout, plenty of dry ground to build a house on. You've got some water features up in the front near the road. So this property has a ton to offer for your next home build. You guys check out the property. If you like it, make sure to give me a ring at 231-327-1701. We'll get you out here for a private showing. If you like the content and you'd like to see more like it, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel, and stay tuned to watch more. Have a great day.